Hi, boys and girls. It's story time with Meme Kates. And today I'm going to read a story called What a Good Kitty by Mercer Mayer. Oh, here he is with his kitty. I have a good kitty. She likes to sleep. I like to play. She likes to play. We play chase. My kitty is hard to catch. I trick her with some milk. Then I catch my kitty. She messes up my dad's newspapers, and Dad says, "Bad kitty." My kitty messes up Mom's knitting, and Mom says, "Bad, bad kitty." My kitty is messy. She messes up my little sister's dolls, and my little sister says, "Bad, bad, bad kitty." My kitty spills Blue's food. Blue barks, "Woof, woof," and my kitty runs away. She scares the fish. She spills the trash with a loud, loud crash. Oh no, my kitty is in big trouble. Dad puts my kitty outside. My kitty is mad. She runs up a tree, and the tree is very tall. My kitty can't get down, and she cries and cries. Dad feels bad and climbs the tree, but he can't reach my kitty, and Dad gets stuck too. Mom calls the fire department, and they come with a big red fire truck. Fireman Joe saves my kitty and my dad. Dad is not happy with my kitty. Mom is not happy with my kitty. Little sister is not happy with my kitty. My kitty is sad. I play with my kitty. Little sister plays in the sandbox. She is still mad. A big mean dog comes in our yard and growls at little sister, and little sister is scared, and I am too. My kitty is brave. She scares the mean dog away, and Dad says, "What a good kitty!" And Mom says, "What a good kitty!" And little sister says, "What a good kitty!" I knew that. Do you have a kitty at home? Well, I do not have any kitties. Okay, boys and girls, I hope everyone enjoyed What a Good Kitty by Mercer Mayer. Have a good day. Bye, Cameron.